it's cocktail time again. Here we go. So in my week, I'm cooking already. Look, it already knows I'm doing cocktails. Blackberry, vodka, daiquiri. So let's start cooking. We're cooking. Lightly, I've done the cocktail glasses. Look at that. How organised am I? I dipped them in lemon juice from my prepared lemon and a bit of sugar. Look, already makes a change. Here we go. So what we do is we put the lemon zest in with about 150 grams of sugar. I think we're making slightly less, just so as not to get too drunk. But let's go about 100 grams. I haven't actually weighed my fruit, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. I'm going to put a bit less in it because that looks like too much. And then my lemon zest, which I have zested already. How good is that? Organised. And then next, it's going to be 15 seconds, no temperature, at speed 10. So it's going to be slightly noisy. Let's go. So it's basically making icing sugar with a bit of lemon in it, lemon zest. Making zesty. I hope it's not going to ask me for a spatula. It's not got a spatula. Okay, 250 grams of blackberries. I have 150. Yeah, we're making fewer. Here's my lemony icing sugar made from sugar and zest. Look at that. Right, 150 grams of blackberries. Frozen. They were frozen. I planned this well. They're supposed to be frozen. And 100 grams of blueberries. Why is it not having me weigh? Right, let's stick it in. See, that's your 5 a day. Done. Here's my bin. 3 lemons peeled. White pith and pips removed. White peel and piths removed. I won't put that bit of actual peel in. That was there for scenic value. 100 grams of water. Don't want to put too much in, dilute it, as we didn't actually have that much fruit. Next. Oh, ice cubes. Oh, my ice cubes are in there as well. So I'll stick that in. Just chopped a few more ice cubes in. 200 grams of vodka. Right, would you like cranberry vodka or raspberry vodka? I don't have plain vodka.
I'll try the raspberry.
Okay, let's try that.
It smells nice.
It smells like, ooh, it smells gorgeous. Right, here we go. What did I say? Make it slightly smaller. 120 grams.
Where's the fun?
I seem to have a lot of vodka lying around from my previous existence travelling, my previous life. Right, 30 seconds. Speed 10 is it's going for broke here.
Is it ready?
I don't know, we had to ask it nicely. Transfer daiquiri to prepared glasses and drink. Serve immediately.
Of course.
It's cold. Wow, look at that
Don't wait.
colour. We're going to see the colour in the glasses anyway.
Wow, that's amazing. That's a lot of fruit.
That is a lot of fruit.
Yeah, it's very healthy.
My word, look at that. That is fabulous bit of colour. Right, now you've got to try it and hold the camera. Or shall I try it? Is that
Try it.
You've got to try it as well.
I'll try it as well.
One of you try it.
It's a challenge. We'll both try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
delicious.
That is rather good.
That is so
It's a bit
delicious.
drinkable. Right, excellent.
Aren't you supposed to
We'll
be
get
able
on
to
with
drink
that
it?
and drink it now and have with our pizza. Pizza and cocktails on a weeknight. This is what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
Bye.